Welcome to MrNussbaum.com, and thank you for viewing our video on how to use our online reading comprehension exercises. This is one of the most popular features on MrNussbaum.com and is used literally tens of thousands of times each week. We have hundreds of online reading comprehension exercises for all subject areas, for all grade levels, and most of them offer immediate feedback, a feedback printable, and also the ability to narrate the text. So the first thing you do is when you're on MrNussbaum.com is you click on the green language arts bubble, and then you will scroll down to where it says reading comprehension online. Click there. And then you're presented with a giant list of reading comprehension exercises that can be filtered right here by grade level. But I'm just going to scroll down so you can see what's available. We have, like I said, hundreds of these for every grade level and every subject K to 8. So let's scroll down. I have one in mind. Let's go to, let's go to Black Cat reading comprehension. Perfect if you're studying mammals or it's Halloween time. And you see most of these reading comprehension exercises come with some basic information. This is 229 words with a lexile level of 1010, which equates to about 4th, 5th, or 6th grade. If you click on Use as Assessment on Google Classroom, this will prompt you to subscribe to Mr. N365. If you subscribe to Mr. N365, you can use these as Google Forms to collect student data. Now, we on MrNussbaum.com don't collect student data directly, but if you subscribe to MrN365.com, you can use these reading comprehension assessments directly on your Google Classroom, where you can collect all of the data that you want. Okay, anyway, so if I click on Black Cat Reading Comprehension, you'll see I'm taken to a page, and there are 7 questions, and students will read the passage on the left, scroll down to see it all, and then answer the questions. So first thing, one thing I want to show you, if I click this listen button, watch, this is pretty neat.
Black cats have been considered symbols of both bad luck and good luck for hundreds of years.
So the passage, we offer the ability for students to have the passages narrated and highlighted, which is a really cool feature. And it's actually, the highlighting and the narrating is very customizable as well. Anyway, so let's just look through the questions real quick. First one says, people in colonial New England probably had negative impressions of Black Cat. We're just going to go through the question. And after every question, students get immediate feedback. I might not get all of these right, so I just want you to see what happens at the end. It says, which of the following is evidence that some people still consider Black cats symbols of bad luck? And I think the right answer here would be C. And we just keep going. What's the example of a superstition? And which of the following best describes the passage? Okay, I think A is the right answer. Let's purposely miss one, which is not true about black cats. They're uncommon and less numerous. That is not. Oh, that is true. Sorry. Let's go on to 6. Which of the following words in the passage means warning or sign of danger? Certainly it's not prosperity, but I'm going to miss this one. So it gives me another chance. Let's call it omen, and I'm right. And then finally, to which of the following questions would to fight superstitions about black cats be the answer? Okay, Black Cat Protection Days. Anyway, so what I can do next is, if I'm a student, I can put my name, and it says I can print out a certificate. So if I click print, it'll send the certificate directly to the printer, and the certificate has, the score, the name of the passage, the percentage correct, the specific items that were answered correctly and incorrectly, and it's something that can be turned in to the teacher to ensure that your student, finished the passage and to see, how well that student did on the passage. Anyway, So, like I said, there are hundreds and hundreds of these available. So, I think the last time I counted, there were 490 of these. And so, you're bound to find something that can help your students. In my classrooms in the past, I've had students do one of these every day, and there's more than enough to take care of one for every day of the school year. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and I hope this gets you to use our reading comprehension exercises. As always, please email me with any feedback that you may have.